are you going to do?
Today, new chainsaw. Okay. Brand new. We are going to cut a piece of the yesterday log because it's still too long. So we need to cut a piece. This is the new model I bought. It's a Stihl MS261C. And it's very good chainsaw. It's the electronic carburation, no need to be adjusted, and I'm happy, and it's a very good chainsaw, and it does what is worth for. It's not a cheap chainsaw, it's quite expensive, but it's worth every penny. And I used to have an Husqvarna 346, which was a very good chainsaw, but I have to admit that it still beat the Husqvarna.